Here's KUSINA. So today, guys, this is Westfield. So right now we're in West. See, Weatherspoon, and these are the rest stuffs. And now this is what you're supposed to be looking at. I saw it, guys. Can you see it? It's aroma. I just can't see the whole thing. It's actually aroma buffet. So right now we're going in. So this is around aroma buffet. So I have to get your order. So there. So today, guys, we have
KUSINA.
Sorry about that. I'm just want to eat. You can talk.
So guys, today we've got now buffet part, I don't know. But today we've got some spring rolls,
Come on.
dumplings, and you know what that is, right?
Come
And
on. Yes.
and some sushi. Look how cool it is. And some dumplings. And some ginger.
Last week.